Rawi 3, 5. Kata tanya apakah dengan memakai where. Sebagaimana halnya kata tanya was, maka kata tanya where dipakai untuk kalimat past tense. Namun subjek yang digunakan adalah kamu atau you, mereka atau they, dan kita atau we. 5a. Kata tanya where dipakai untuk kata kerja present participle. Contoh, 1. Apakah tadi mereka sedang belajar?
Were they studying? Were they studying?
2. Apakah tadi kamu sedang makan?
Were you eating? Were you eating?
3. Apakah tadi kita sedang bermain?
Were we playing? Were we playing?
4. Apakah tadi mereka sedang membaca?
Were they reading? Were they reading?
5. Apakah tadi kamu sedang menulis?
Were you writing? Were you writing?
5b. Kata tanya were dipakai untuk kata sifat. Contoh, 1. Apakah dulu mereka kaya?
Were they rich? Were they rich?
2. Apakah dulu kamu pintar?
Were you clever? Were you clever?
3. Apakah dulu kita gemuk?
Were we fat? Were we fat?
4. Apakah dulu mereka bahagia?
Were they happy? Were they happy?
5. Apakah dulu kamu sakit?
Were you sick? Were you sick?
5c. Kata tanya where dipakai untuk kata keterangan. Contoh, 1. Apakah tadi mereka ada di sini?
Were they in here? Were they in here?
2. Apakah tadi kita ada di pasar?
Were we in a market? Were we in a market?
3. Apakah tadi kamu ada di rumah?
Were you at home? Were you at home?
4. Apakah tadi mereka ada di restoran?
Were they in a restaurant? Were they in a restaurant?
5. Apakah tadi kamu ada di sana?
Were you in there? Were you in there?
5d. Kata tanya where dipakai untuk kata kerja pasif. Contoh, 1. Apakah tadi mereka dipukuli?
Were they hit? Were they hit?
2. Apakah tadi kamu diberi makanan?
Were you given food? Were you given food?
3. Apakah tadi kita diawasi?
Were we watched? Were we watched?
4. Apakah tadi mereka dibayar?
Were they paid? Were they paid?
5. Apakah tadi kamu dicurigai?
Were you suspected? Were you suspected?
Catatan. Dari contoh-contoh di atas, jelas dapat kita lihat bahwa kata tanya bentuk be ini diletakkan di awal kalimat. Secara ringkas dapat dirumuskan sebagai berikut. Be ditambah subjek, ditambah kata kerja present participle, kata kerja bentuk pasif, kata benda, kata sifat, dan kata keterangan. Apabila kita ingin membentuk kata tanya negatif, cukup kita tambahkan not setelah be. Contoh, 1. Apakah kamu tidak diundang?
Aren't you invited? Aren't you invited?
2. Apakah kamu tidak sedang belajar?
Aren't you studying? Aren't you studying?
3. Apakah kamu tidak bahagia?
Aren't you happy? Aren't you happy?